Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro, today for 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee, stock number 7019. This ran from the 2nd 2013 to the 9th 2016. It is a WK 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is WK 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 20-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door, no dents, left rear 20-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door, no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 20-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,